Why did I doubt you? She is still standing. After all this time, she is still standing. Proud of myself. Alright, today I thought it might be nice to add a second, just add a second side really. So that will be the entrance. We'll enter through here, and it will be nice and closed off, really close, and yeah, I think it'll be quite fun. So I guess let's get to getting some sticks. I might swap some of the sticks sides. I think that would be smart. Not going to watch any tutorials because I didn't for the first time, so I think it'll be fun for the second time if just yeah, sort of finishing off the sides, no help. Fortunately, past me really enjoyed leaving sticks around. Oh, that's going to be plenty of space for me. I won't need that much space. Oh yes, it looks quite nice. One thing I want to mention today is this is the final video. The Wolfang is the main camera, which I'm quite happy about. The Wolfang it's not the greatest, I'll admit. So yeah, I'm getting an Osmo Action 4, which I think is going to be quite a good camera. Got a nice wireless mic, so the really annoying thing with the bloody cable should hopefully stop. I probably just did it there. So hopefully that is so much better than the Wolfang. I think I only have a fifth of my water supply remaining. I've just been drinking it. I'm going to need to ration that. I also hope it cools down because it is way too warm. This is going to be a nice big stick. Also, it's going to be very feels very sturdy and not rotten at all. I reckon that'll be good there. I'm not aiming for the greatest sticks, I'm just aiming for decent sticks. So it doesn't matter if they're slightly rotten. Also, if anyone thinks I should trim that, tell me in the comments. I can get some tools to remove it, I think. I'm going to use this. I brought along this thing today, so hopefully we shall get some nice first-person-ish shots. Hopefully it's not too shit and I end up cutting out most of the use of it. Oh, I think that was a whole tree. This stick must have been a whole tree. Oh no, oh, that's the longest. So about onto the bag mount thing that I used in one of my videos. Oh, that might have been too much. No, that was bang on. I'm just gonna... A lot of good sticks here. Perfect. It's slightly off, I think. Ooh. I do not mind if I do. Oh yes, also a tree. Ugh. A dead tree, and now my tree. Try not to split the whole thing. Oh yes. You better not be deconstructing my shelter. I'm thinking there's quite a bit of moss in patches. Should I put that on the shelter? I think I should. Also, they have fallen down from my shelter. Well, I don't mind having foot, but just yeah. I wonder if I can charge the wood fan. It's on one bar. I'm going to charge it in a very improvised way. Where's the treat gone, Holly? Where's the treat gone? Is it there? Oh my god, she can't find it. Where is the treat? Where is the treat? She's getting slow in her old age. Okay, so progress update. Got a lot done. And I wanted to save this one for when I have the wolf fang, because I think I could get 3 out of this. 3 good sticks. If Holly doesn't pick it up. No, that's for that. That's for the shelter. Okay, so let's try and not. I think I can still work with that. Holly's chewing it apart. Oh, you're making good progress on that. Don't take the whole thing. Come on. Go on. Yeah, pull it. Look, pull it. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Oh, she's so proud of herself. I'm really liking this tree. Oh, come on. I'm really not liking this tree. It's taking my bloody sticks away. And that can go in there. And this big one, which I've been really excited to use, that can go there. I'm liking this. The wolf fang's probably not showing it very well, but quite a big improvement. Starting to think I might need that stick. See if we can trade. Want this one? No? Great. In the comments, I'm thinking about making a full version of this. So from when I started building that. Also, I forgot to mention, Holly, we're not going back yet. Oh well. So I put these down. So, sort of guides. I also kind of think it makes it look a little bit cooler. So I kind of like it. Okay, I'm gonna negotiate. So treat for that. Okay. Okay. Give me that. You give me that. No, drop. Leave. Treat. Okay. Then she gets a treat. I get the stick. And that could go right there. Please do not steal that back. No. No. Might be able to do it with this whole bloody tree. Trying to get that about there. Or not. I'm going to leave this moss on here. Oh, nice. Now let's just put it back in here. About there. Ooh, that might be perfect. Maybe I'm going to put that a bit further up. Look at that. Coming together quite nice. Just that good? Does that work? I think that's going to work better. That's that bit done both sides. I quite like this. I'm not a professional, so yeah, tell me if I'm doing it right or wrong. But I quite like what I've done here. Yeah, but this, I quite like this. Come in. I want to get some moss on onto this. There's special log I've been looking at that will be really good to make a nice seat. Come on, Holly, come on. Yeah, she's coming. Here she comes. This one seems quite sturdy to potentially be a seat, so I wanted to use this as a seat. Alright, let's try and get this all the way to the shelter. I reckon if I try and use this and try and get it, probably get another log like this, stick log, I don't know, just get something to probably between this tree. This tree is, I don't think I can use that to prop it up. We'll see. To be honest, this isn't actually that bad. Maybe get another, because that one's quite rotten, so I'll just die. There's actually a fallen down tree I could use. So I'm gonna potentially see if I can use that. Alright. Let's hope this is good enough. Ooh, this might won't prop it up. Just throw that there. Focus on getting the actual tree. It's quite stuck. How does James A. Loves do it? Okay, I'm gonna go grab that stick now. That is how. Oh yes. Should I add a couple more of these seat bits? I might if I find any. I'm gonna have to break this. shit. Broke. Just not right. That is perfect. I don't want to swap them around. Okay, so this has been moved about a little bit. But that is a quick fix. There we go. That is so comfortable. I don't think I need to add another. Might be smart to. Now that's perfect, fine. This is the progress I have made so far. I'm quite happy with it. I did start out using moss, but there's not much moss. It's mostly ferns, which I could use. I just don't want to risk getting ticks. That is literally the reason. Also, I feel like the wolfhound is going to be on one bar very shortly. So yeah, I'm going to finish off doing this bit. Maybe try find another stick to go in there. So Holly doesn't tear apart the shelter. This is what it looks like from the inside. So yeah, we'll keep on working on it. So, oh, yep. I think I'm happy with this. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with this. I'd be tempted to put leaves on that, but I can't be bothered. Too much effort. Yeah. Holly's quite excited to go. I've been climbing the trees and stressing her. But yeah, she's been here too long. The wolfhound did not last very long until I got to 1.5 bars. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this little video. I definitely have. Tell me if I should, whether you think I should actually make a supercut with all the footage from when I was building this. Yeah, tell me in the comments. Yeah, but and like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. Just show me that you enjoyed this video and that you want to see more, because I feel like I could probably get a couple more built in this area. I don't think anyone will notice. Oh, yep. Come on. Come on. Yeah. No. No. Sit. Yeah, good girl. Okay. Come here. Oh, she's not done posing. Come on. Hi. Here. Yeah, good girl.